Good morning students. Welcome to you all in online classes of mathematics. In last video you have learnt about patterns, that is unit 1 patterns. In that you have learnt about growing, number and shape patterns, right? After that you have learnt about reflection, then symmetry and lines of symmetry. I hope you all have understood that chapter. In today's video, we are going to learn about Unit 2, that is extension of numbers. So let's recall first whatever you have learnt in your previous classes. Like the largest one digit number is 9. Yes. The largest two digit number is 9 and 9, that is 99. The largest three-digit number is 9, 9 and 9. 3 9. So that is 999. The largest four-digit number is 9, 9, 9 and 9. 4 times 9, that is 9999. That is the largest four-digit number. Yes. Now, do you see a pattern here? Like one digit, the largest one digit number is 9. The largest two digit number is 2 times 9. The largest three digit number is 3 times 9. That is 999. The largest four digit number is 9999. That is 4 times 9. Similarly, for the smallest numbers, the smallest one digit number is 1. The smallest two digit number is 10. The smallest three digit number is 100, that is 100. The smallest four digit number is 1000. 1 followed by 3 zeros. Now again, do you see a pattern here? See, for one digit smallest number we have 1. For two digit smallest number we have 1 and it followed by 1 0. For three digit smallest number we have 1 followed by 2 zeros. For four digit smallest number we have 1 followed by 3 zeros. Right? So this is the pattern here. Now let us look closely. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. 999 plus 1 is equals to 1000. Now here 9 is the greatest one digit number, and when we add 1 to it we will get 10, which is the smallest two digit number, right? 10 is the smallest two digit number. Now here 99 plus 1, where 99 is the greatest two digit number, and when we add 1 to it we will get 100, which is the smallest three digit number. Next 999, which is the greatest three digit number, and when we add 1 to it we will get 1000, which is the smallest four digit number. Now this is all new for you all. 9999, that is which is the greatest or the largest four digit number. When we add 1 to it we will get 10,000, which is the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, now we have entered in 5-digit series. What is happening in all these patterns? We were getting, when we take greatest number and when we add 1 to it, we will get the smallest number of the next series. Yes, when we add 9 plus 1, we will get 10, that is 2-digit smallest number. When we take 99 plus 1, we get the smallest 3-digit number, right? So This way we will get the next series, that is 5-digit number, and we have got the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. Okay. So what is the smallest 5-digit number? We have just come across it. Yes, it is 1 followed by 4 zeros. The number name for this is 10,000. It is written as 10, 3 zeros. Okay, 10,000. The place value chart for 10,000 is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. In 10,000 column we have 1 and the rest of the column is occupied by zeros, 4 zeros. So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Similarly, we have the greatest 5-digit number, that is 99,999. It is written as 99,999. Okay. Now, number name for this is 99,900,99. Okay. The place value chart for this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. And all the places is occupied by 9. Okay, now moving on to the next series, we have the smallest 6-digit number. It is called 1 followed by 5 zeros. In international system, it is called as 100,000. And in Indian system, it is called as 1 lakh. You will get to know more about it in your next topic. Till then, moving on. The greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Okay. The series will go on ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. The smallest or the greatest 6-digit number. Now let us see some examples. These questions are not given in your textbook. This is just for your recall. You have already learned all these things in your previous classes. This is just we are doing only recall. Okay. So, for example, take a number 6523, that is 6,523. Okay. How we write its number name? We write 6,000, 523. Right? So, this way you have to write numbers in figures or in numbers, and this way you have to write it in words. Right? Take another example. For example, 1895, that is 1895. The number name for this is 1895. Right? So, this way you have to write it the numbers in figures, and this way you will write the numbers in words. Right? This is just for your recall. You already know all these things. Yes? Okay, now these are your exercise questions. It is given in page number 78 in your textbook. Okay? See, question number 1, write the numbers in words. You have to write all the numbers in words. Just now we have seen how to write the numbers in words. You already know how to write numbers in words, right? So, question number 1 is 99, that is 99. The number name for this is 99. Okay? Second one, 909, that is 909. 909. Third one, 7621, that is 7621. It is written as 7000, 600, 21. Okay? Now, question number 4, 6000. That means 6000 and 9, 4 times 9, that is 9999. These two questions are your homework. Okay, you have to write it down in your textbook as well as in your copy. Now, moving on to next question, we have write the numbers in figures. Okay, write the numbers in figures. Here are the questions. 808. First question is 808. How you will write the numbers in figures? 808. There is no number in tens place, so you will write 0 in tens place. So So 808. You cannot write 88. You have to write 808. That is 808. Right? Second question, 3020. Here also 3020. There is no place for 100. Yes? So we have to put here 3020. In hundreds place you have to put 0. 1 stands 100,000. Right? So in hundreds place you have to put 0. So the number will be 3020. 3020. Third question, 9987. All the places are filled. See, 1 stands 100 and 1000. Yes, 9987. So we will write 9987. That is 9987. Two more questions are there in your test book, and that questions you will do by yourself. Moving on to the next question that is given in your test book, page number 79, question number 3. Write the next 4 numbers to complete the given series. Okay, see question number 1, 2625, that is 2625. That is your first number. Second number is 2626. See what is the difference between in these two numbers? 2625 and 2226. So the numbers is increasing by 1. Yes, it is increased by number 1. So in next number will also be increased by number 1. 2626 plus 1 is 2627. Again add 1. The numbers are increasing by 1. So 2628. Next plus 1. 2628 plus 1 is 2629. Again add one number, 2630. See, you have seen the pattern. The numbers are increasing by 1. Right? Second question, 3510. Next number is 3520. So the numbers are increasing by 10, right? 10 plus 10, 20. That means the numbers are increasing by 10. So what will be the next number? It is increasing by 10. Plus 10 here. 3520 plus 10 is 3530. Then again add 10 to it. You will get 3540. Again add 10 here, you will get 3550. Again add 10, you will get 3560. Yes, these type of questions you have already done in your last chapter, that is patterns. That is growing patterns, natural patterns, number patterns you have seen in your last chapter. So this is very easy for you all, right? Because just now you have done the previous exercise. So the rest of the 3 questions is your homework. You have to do by yourself, because this is you have done in your recent week. And do all the homeworks and send it to me in Campus Care app. And till then, take very good care of yourself and have a good day.